Are you tired of dropped calls and frustratingly slow internet at home or in the office? That endless search for just one bar of signal? Well, the search is over. Meet the Nikrans LCD250-4G-D, the powerful dual-band signal booster designed to transform your weak mobile signal into strong, reliable coverage. This isn't just any booster. The Nikrans LCD250-4G-D is a premium device that amplifies weak phone calls and supercharges your 4G internet. It's built to the highest standards, with every unit carefully checked and certified for your safety and peace of mind. Imagine crystal clear coverage across your entire space. This booster delivers exactly that, covering up to 250 square meters. That makes it perfect for apartments, cottages, shops, restaurants, or offices, anywhere you need a stable connection. It works on the two most essential frequency bands. On the 800 megahertz band, it boosts 4G data for most major operators like Vodafone, Orange. And on the 1800 megahertz band, it not only expands your 4G capabilities, but can also dramatically improve the quality of your voice calls if your provider uses that band for GSM, like EE in the UK. So you get faster internet and clearer calls. This booster is smart and user-friendly. It features a clear LCD screen that guides you through setup and shows you how it's performing. It even has an energy-saving sleep mode that activates when no one is using the network without shutting down. Plus, with two included indoor antennas, a whip antenna and a ceiling antenna, it ensures a perfectly even distribution of that powerful new signal throughout your space. Worried about a complicated setup? Don't be. The kit comes with absolutely everything you need right in the box. The booster itself, an outdoor antenna, two indoor antennas, all the necessary cables, and a power supply. You don't need to be a tech expert. The installation is straightforward and typically takes about 20 minutes. Just plug it in, and within seconds, it starts broadcasting a powerful, amplified signal that can serve everyone in the area simultaneously. In short, the Nikrans LCD250-4G-D is the most effective way to boost your 4G internet and finally put an end to your signal problems for good. Ready to say goodbye to bad signal forever? Click the link below to order your Nikrans LCD250-4G-D booster today. And for our viewers, use the discount code VIDEO at checkout to save €10 on your purchase. Get yours now and connect with confidence.